Hello all, in today's video we will look at the door handle lights. These go out 100% on all cars. I can promise you that many that buy this car used don't even know they have this light. So we will go from this to this. And the new little LED light that Mercedes have released, they say should last much longer than the old one. And this is actually what it looks like. And if you want some help to buy these, we will list these on our website. So the first thing we do is to remove the handle. And that we do by removing this one. And when it comes to the rear doors, the hole to release the handle is behind this trim here. So you have to remove that. Just like that. Pops out, and here we have the hole. And then we just use a Torx T20. And now you can see this one. Just take this one out like that. And then you can just move the handle backwards. Just like that. Now we loosen these two Torx up. We don't remove them, we just loosen them up. Like that. And here you can actually see the LED light where it sits. And then it really needs to be removed from behind. And now when that is done, we'll go inside. And once again I have to remove this door panel. Because everything needs to go. The window has to be taken down, loosen up, taken up to get everything off. And now we take out these rubber seals, one here and one here. And this is so we can see when the window goes down, because this is where we will loosen up the window. And here it is. Now we loosen up both these and lift up the window. And here's another difference on the rear door. There's only one place to loosen up the window, not two. So now you just take down the window and loosen it up and then take it up again. Now to keep this from falling down, I'll just take some duct tape. There we go. Now we can loosen up all the screws around here to take this out, to get to the handle from behind. So now all screws around here are taken out. So this is loose. And on the rear doors we have to remove this speaker to get to that one. So now we also have to loosen this lock here. So now everything is loose, and you need to take this one out. Just sits like that. And this is actually all you have to do. You just have to move this down a bit, and now we can actually see the lead in here where it sits. Here it is. So there it is. There we go. Now we insert the new one. And let's try it before we close everything up here. There we go. Now we'll just put everything back together. I'll secure it with this one so it holds it in place. Now we have to focus on the outside so we get it in the same place. And this is why you leave these screws in here, so they can help you guide it in place. There we are. And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like. And don't miss out on the Instagram account where you get some previews. And until the next one, see you.